For the most part, I never feel like doing my hair. Especially now that my hair is falling out due to weight loss surgery, I am like in shambles. Not really sure if I'm stressed because of the sound selections that business owners have on TikTok or the fact that I actually have to do this myself. Well, if you're watching this, it's on a Sunday. In real time, I am currently washing clothes. I just made dinner. I meal prepped, and here I am doing my hair. If you are planning to sew your own hair in, the braid pattern doesn't really matter if you're using a net. However, if you're not using a net, you want to be as neat and as close as possible. Now, not sure if you noticed, but there was a net in my hand until I figured out that I could not find my needle and thread. And then once again, it's a Sunday and it's about 6 o'clock. So all of the stores are closed. And I'm impatient because I got stuff to do in the morning. I have school. I go out for a run. Here I'm contemplating my life. And these are the bundles. This is a natural wave by Brown Hair. And I'm using 20, 22, and 24 inches. I like mine's layered. Some people like to use all the same length. But here's the thing. When you have quality hair, and I carry double drawn and super double drawn, the thickness doesn't matter to me because I'm going to have thickness throughout the whole entire weft. From weft to tip, it's going to always be thick. Now, I chose a curly option because I'm working out, like I said, and my hair gets poofy. So I really don't want to keep adding heat to my hair. I'm going to show you the back. Okay, let's go. I honestly hate that this turned into a quick weave because I really wanted to sew it in. But it is what it is. Launch day is coming and I'm offering 20% off on all sales. If you're wondering why I didn't use a closure, my edges are on thin and I don't need any more tension on these edges, child.